Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we are here at the RV in the storage lot. We're going to install a screen door pull handle. I've seen these on other RVs, actually in campgrounds and stuff like that, and I really like them. And they take a lot of stress off the door. It just makes it easier to close, so people aren't grabbing the actual handle itself, breaking it off, pulling on the screen door hard. So I'll show you what it looks like here. All right guys, this is what you get in the kit. You get either the right or the left, depending on which way you want to put it on. This one goes on the opposite side, and then this one will actually go into the middle, so it'll slide on like this. Sorry, it's hard to do with one hand. It will slide on like that. This one will go over here. Pretty easy, honestly. And then you can adjust it to the proper length for your door. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Comes with actually all the screws that you need to install it. So let's go ahead and put this thing on, and I will show you how it looks when we get all done. All right, guys, hold on one second. We'll get this thing on the actual door. Okay, guys, I held this actually up to my screen door, and I got the measurements that I needed. I centered this in the center after I put it up to the screen door. It's just hard to do it with one hand. I don't know if you can see my little mark right there. So I'm gonna slide this in to my mark. There's two little screws. I'll put the screws actually in right here. Do the same thing for the other side, and then we will take it up to the screen door and mount it. Okay guys, got it all installed. Looks pretty good, works good, functions well. Seems like it's gonna be a good addition to the RV here. Now you can take all the weight and pull here instead of grabbing here where everybody grabs, or here. I see that a lot too. So this gives it a lot of strength. Yeah, I think we're gonna be good. All right guys, so far I highly recommend it. Let me know how it works out for you guys. Leave me a comment. All right guys, thanks again for watching. I appreciate it, and we will see you on the next video. Guys, here in the RV, also I forgot to mention, you have to make sure, just don't bolt this thing onto the screen door, because also make sure that it closes when you're in the RV. I wanted to mount it on the outer edge, but then when I brought it inside, I realized I can't mount it on the outer edge because it would hit right here. So I had to move it over just a little bit, mount it on this other track. Not a big deal, looks good, works good. All right guys, thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next video for sure. I got tons of stuff coming up here, so I will definitely subscribe, and you'll see a ton of new stuff I got for this RV. All right, thank you so much.